Hi guys! Today we will teach you how to make bread with these easy steps. Ingredients: 2 cups warm water 110 degrees Fahrenheit 45 degrees Celsius, ½ cup white sugar, 1½ tablespoons active dry yeast, 1½ teaspoons salt, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 5 to 6 cups flour. You can use all-purpose flour or bread flour. Instructions: in a large bowl, dissolve the 1 tablespoon of the sugar in warm water and then stir in yeast. Allow to proof until yeast resembles a creamy foam, about 5 minutes. Mix remaining sugar, salt and oil into the yeast. Mix in flour 1 cup at a time. Dough should be tacky and clean the sides of the bowl save for a small part at the bottom. Too much flour added in yields a dry loaf of bread, so if you're worried you added too much, add a bit more hot water, until you get the correct consistency. If you enjoy this type of videos, please take a moment to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell icon as well so that you will be notified once a new video is released. Now back to the video. Knead dough for 7 minutes. Place in a well-oiled bowl, and turn dough to coat. Cover with a damp cloth. Allow to rise until doubled in bulk, about 1 hour. Punch dough down. Knead for 1 minute and divide in half. Shape into loaves and place into 2 greased 9 by 5 inch loaf pans. Allow to rise for 30 minutes, or until dough has risen 1 inch above pans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 30 to 40 minutes. Cool, brush with butter and enjoy.